plain enough to define the body up, yeah. Got her look and she wants it back. She's firing up that body up, yeah, babe. You think that I want you, but nah, babe. You're one in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into girls with a plastic trace. Don't take it too personally, yeah. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you aren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of I got it, but I can't see through all the lies. The lies, the lies, the lies, the lies, the lies, the lies. Gotta be hard on you now to know the truth. A bit confused, but there's a bunch of us out in the world who's just like me, not into you. Same, you think you the deal, you know nothing, babe. I want something real, not the custom made. I'll buy you a drink, keep you company. I'm sorry, that's all it will be. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you aren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of I got it, but I can't see through all the lies. The lies, the lies, the lies, the lies, the lies, the lies. Instagram sensation, taking selfies for attention. Get high on confirmation, keeping there is conversation. Some Instagram sensation, taking selfies for attention. She get high on confirmation, keeping there is conversation. Some Instagram sensation, taking selfies for attention. Get high on confirmation, keeping there is conversation. Some Instagram sensation, taking selfies for attention.
Give me some time to get stronger. I'll be okay, just give me a little bit longer. Yeah, we're gonna win the struggle we're in. It's never goodbye till it's over. Come back to love. I was so crazy to lose you. Just come back to love. Let's never do what we used to. Leaving without saying, teasing without playing. I've had enough. So come back to love. Where you are now. It's probably too late, but here I am reaching my arm out. I want us to win the struggle we're in. It's never goodbye till it's over.